Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn 30 plus business phrasal verbs in English. Go over. To review or examine something carefully. Let's go over the details of the contract one more time. Take on. To accept or undertake a task or responsibility. I'm willing to take on the new project. Cut back. To reduce expenses or spending. We need to cut back on unnecessary costs to improve profits. Turn down. To reject or refuse something, such as an offer or proposal. Unfortunately, we have to turn down your request for additional funding. Back out. To withdraw from a commitment or agreement. He backed out of the deal at the last minute. Call off. Cancel something previously planned or scheduled. We had to call off the meeting due to unforeseen circumstances. Hold off. To delay or postpone. Let's hold off on making a decision until we have more information. Put off. To delay or postpone something. We'll have to put off the launch until next month. Lay off. To dismiss employees from their jobs due to a lack of work. The company had to lay off several employees due to budget cuts. Bring in. To introduce or recruit someone or something. We need to bring in more experts to solve this problem. Cash in. To take advantage of an opportunity to profit. We're going to cash in on the holiday season by offering discounts. Drop out. To withdraw or quit something, usually a commitment or activity. She decided to drop out of the project halfway through. Hold on. To wait or pause briefly. Please hold on while I transfer your call to the appropriate department. phase in. To introduce or implement something gradually. We're phasing in the new policy over the next few months. Phase out. To gradually remove or discontinue something. We're phasing out the old software and switching to a new system. Follow up. To pursue or check on something previously discussed. I'll follow up with the client to see if they received our proposal. Break down. To stop functioning properly. The printer broke down again. I'll have to call IT. Back up. To make a copy of data or to provide support. Don't forget to back up your files regularly. Check out. To investigate or examine something. I'll check out the new software and let you know if it's suitable. Get ahead. To make progress or succeed. If we work hard, we can get ahead of our competitors. Set up. To establish or arrange something. We need to set up a meeting to discuss the project. Stand by. To be ready or available to provide assistance or support. Our team is standing by to help with any technical issues. Come across. To find or encounter something unexpectedly. I came across some interesting research while browsing online. Fill in. To provide information or details that are missing. Can you fill in the missing data on this report? Fill out. To complete a form or document by adding requested information. Please fill out this survey to provide feedback. Get by. To manage or survive with the resources available. We'll have to get by with our current equipment until we can afford upgrades. Look into. To investigate or examine a situation. We need to look into the cause of the production delays. Write off. To acknowledge a loss or failure and remove it from the accounts. The company decided to write off the bad debt. Check in. To register arrival or confirm attendance. Please check in at the reception desk when you arrive. Drop by. To visit someone casually or briefly. Feel free to drop by my office anytime if you have questions. Log in. To enter a computer system by typing a username and password. You need to log in to access your email account. Show up. To appear or arrive, especially at a specified time or place. He didn't show up for the meeting this morning. Run out of. Exhaust the supply of something. We've run out of printer ink. We need to order more.